everybody, and welcome back to the 17th hole at Cedar Brae. You probably just saw that ball that hit the green. I actually hit that shot from 295 yards, and it's, what are you shaking your head at? 295 yards, and I've got about a 3-footer for my eagle putt. But what I have done is I've left an extremely deep ball mark here on the green. So I'm here with Darren Little today, our course superintendent, and he's going to show me how to properly fix a ball mark.
If you look at the greens here over the last couple of weeks, we've actually had some really wet scenarios out here, which create ball marks. A lot of these silver spots you're seeing, they are improperly fixed ball marks. The first thing you're going to do is on the high side of the ball, so the pin being there, the ball coming in on this trajectory, you're going to come in with your thumb, flatten that out pretty quick. I'm going to use a single prong, and you go in and inward, in and inward, in and inward, as many times as you need to fill that void. Now I'm going to ask Mr. O'Leary to use the flat side of his putter. It still needs a little love. That was a big ball mark.
That was a long shot.
But too much, there's no such thing. Make sure that thing is as flat as possible. And if you notice, I never came upward in it like this. All that does is bring the root zone up to the top and create these little silver spots across the green. So once again, in, back towards the hole, in. Now, a tee works as well. So if somebody says I didn't have a ball repair tool with me, you can still use a tee. Same principle is you're going to go in and forward all the way around as many times as you need to be able to get that depression to stand up and flatten down.
Well, there's my little tap in for eagle. Thank you to Darren for showing me how to properly fix those ball marks. And please remember, fixing your ball marks is going to help maintain the great greens that we have here at Cedar Brae. So hope everybody enjoys the remainder of the golf season, and we look forward to seeing you soon out here on the golf course.
Have a great day.